So in Python, logical operators are used to combine conditional statements. So here's the three main types of logical operators. Very simply, there's the AND, which returns true if both of the statements are true. So let me show you exactly what I mean by the logical operator and conditions. So take a look here. Let's say I'm going to my local park and I want to play some pickup basketball. I'm going to get to choose a teammate. Now, I look around and I see that I'm a pretty scrawny fella, so I need someone really, really large on my team to balance out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have two variables that I'm going to use in order to choose whether I want to play with a certain teammate or not. So the first is going to be height, and this is basically how tall they are in inches. And the second variable is going to be weight, and this is how heavy they are in pounds. Now I'm going to make a rule. I want the height to be greater than 72 inches, which means that they will be over 6 feet tall. And the weight, I want it to be over 250 pounds. I want them large. I want them to be a center, right? So how do I do that? Well, I create two conditions with a conditional statement. I say if height is greater than or equal to 72 inches and the weight is greater than or equal to 250 pounds, then print the statement, you're on my team. Let's play basketball. Now remember I said that in AND, both statements have to be true. So then I'm going to tell the program what to do if this condition is not satisfied. Then I'm going to say else. And now I'm going to specify to the program that if it does not meet these two conditions, go ahead and print, sorry, let's play together next time. So let's see what we have here. The height is 72, the weight is 248. If I run this, you see that it says, sorry, let's play together next time. So let's see exactly why it said, sorry, let's play together next time. Well, it's because we use the AND logical operator, which means both of these conditions have to be true. And if you take a look here, the height is 72 inches, which means it satisfies this condition. This is true, because 72 is greater than or equal to 72. However, the weight was 248, which is less than 250. And we over here said the weight has to be greater than or equal to 250. And so because this is false, it's saying, sorry, let's play next time, because it's going to the else right here, which says print, sorry, let's play next time. Now, if I go ahead and I change the weight to, let's say, 295 pounds, and then I run this program again, you'll see that it says, you're on my team. Let's play basketball. And so that's how you would use the AND logical operator in Python. Let's now look at the OR logical operator, which returns true if at least one of the statements is true. So if I go and I change this AND to OR, and then I try to run this, only one of these conditions needs to be satisfied. So if I go ahead and I run the program again, you will see that it says, you're on my team, let's play basketball, because both of these conditions are satisfied and are true, which means at least one of them is true. But if I go ahead and I change the height to, let's say, 65, and I change the weight to, let's say, 150, and then I run the program, it says, sorry, let's play together next time, because neither of these conditions were satisfied. Now, what happens if only one of these conditions are satisfied? For instance, if I type in 275, so the weight is going to be greater than or equal to 250, but the height is not going to be greater than or equal to 72. Let's see what happens. It still says, you're on my team, let's play basketball, because at least one of these conditions was true. It was satisfied. Now over here is the not operator, which reverses the result. So it returns false if the result is true, and obviously returns true if the result is false. So let's go ahead and take a look at that example here. Maybe I want to add another variable called injured, because I'm noticing that a lot of people on the basketball playground, they're injured. And so what I want to do is I want to ask that question again. So if injured equals true, which means that someone is saying that they are injured, what I can do is I can write if height is greater than or equal to 72 or weight is greater than or equal to 50, and I could put that in parentheses. Can we appreciate how amazing Python is? It is so easy to read that I can write if height is greater than or equal to 72 or weight is greater than or equal to 50 and they're not injured, then print you're on my team, let's play basketball, else print sorry, let's play basketball together next time. So if we take a look here, if I set the variable injured to true, which means the individual is injured, and then we go ahead and we run this program, you're going to see that it says, sorry, let's play together next time. Why? Well, this right here was satisfied. If height is greater than or equal to 72 or weight is greater than or equal to 250, this was set as true, and I put it in parentheses because 275 is the weight, which is greater than 250. This part is true, and now this part has to be true, not injured. However, right here, I have injured set to true. So they actually are injured. And so this right here now becomes false because this is true, which means not injured is false. So we have a statement that says this is true and false. And if we take a look at the AND logical operator, it says returns true if both statements are true. This part was true, and this part was false. And that is why we get the result, sorry, let's play together next time. However, if the individual was not injured, and I put false here because are they injured? False, they're not injured. And then I go and run it, it says you're on my team, let's play basketball. So that's logical operators explained simply in Python. I hope you appreciated this tutorial. And I hope you're enjoying your Python learning journey. If you enjoy this type of content, please leave me a like, a comment, subscribe to the channel. Many more Python tutorials will be sprinkled in.